Hikmat number 30, Najul Balagha. When it was asked of Hazrat Ali salam to explain the faith in religion, he replied that the structure of the faith is supposed by four columns: patience, belief, justness or equity, and jihad, that is, defense for the cause of religion. He further educated those 4 points. About the equity, he said that the equity is composed of the attributes of desire, fear, abstemiousness, and expectation. That is, whoever desires to reach the heaven will not covet anything of this vicious world. Whenever is afraid of the hell will abstain from the sins and wishes. Whoever practices piety and abstemiousness will pleasantly bear difficulties and calamities of life, and whoever expects death will hurry to do good as much and as quick as possible. For belief, Hazrat Ali salam explained that it is a combination of four traits of character: to guard oneself against infatuation of sin, to search for explanation of truth through knowledge, to take warning from history of nations and the life of individuals, and to follow the good steps of good people who have passed. Because whoever wants to guard himself against vices and sins will have to search for the true cause of infatuation and true ways of fighting them. To find those true ways, one has to search them with the help of knowledge, and whoever gets fully acquainted with various branches of knowledge will take lessons from life. And whoever tries to take lessons from life is actually engaged in the study of the causes of rise and fall of previous civilizations. Hazrat Ali salam further explained that justice and equity also claim four qualities in men: the depth of understanding, the profoundness of knowledge, fairness of judgment, and clearness of mind. Because whoever tries his best to understand a problem will have to study it. Whoever has the practice of studying subjects he is to deal with will develop a clear mind and will always come to correct decisions. Whoever tries to achieve all this will have to develop ample patience and forbearance. And whoever does this has done justice to the cause of religion, has led a life of good repute and fame. Hazrat Ali Islam explained jihad further in the following terms. Jihad is the defense of the religion. Jihad is divided into four branches: to advise, persuade, and order people of obedience towards God, to prohibit them from sin and vice, to speak truth on all occasions, and to hate vicious persons and sinners. Whoever persuades people to obey the order of God helps faithful Muslims enormously. Whoever dissuades them against vices and sins humiliates unbelievers and apostates only for the sake of God, and then God will be angry with his enemies and will be pleased with him on the day of judgment. End of Hikmat.